Hopefully you could hear that wind. I made her quiet down. And now we're going to School Beans, which is a coffee place. I just remembered. I'm gonna cut it out though, so you guys didn't hear that little break that I just had. But it's super windy. We're on top of a hill, and that's that. First stop of the day is School Beans Coffee. So this is a renovated school bus. So it's little flashbacks of elementary school. And like, all right, gotta get in the back of the bus because that's where the cool kids are. But the back of the bus is where you ordered because this is a coffee shop. And we got some Swiss mochas, which was a hot chocolate with espresso dumped in there. As you can see with my little fork, this might be my new favorite drink. It was a spoon, but whatever, we're just gonna roll with it. They had these really cool pins that represented different icons from pop culture. You see Bob's Burgers, Rick and Morty. There's also a sniffle station, which I love. The best thing about this bus to me, though, is that there was a fireplace there. I am nothing but a sucker for a fireplace. I did a whole video here showing like, oh, this is where Game of Thrones was shot, you know, this is Battle of the Bastards, but it's so windy that you can't hear a single thing. I mean, I'll let you listen to it right here. Yeah, I told you it was just way too much wind, but it's fine. I gotta see with my own two eyes. Now we're gonna transition into a cute little video of art. I am terrified of heights, and now I have my phone on a stabilizer. Yes, it's great, but I'm afraid it's going to fall over because I'm trying to get the best shot there. We're still maintaining a safety where I'm not going to break my phone. And now it was really cool to see it from the top view. Of course, Arden is just pressed up against the gate, which just have my nerves rocking. But from the ground floor of the waterfall, it is so much better. I mean, it's looking back at the video, it's incredible that I was even there. And Arden made a friend, so yeah, good for her. Now we're on to the second waterfall of the day. Alright, I just crouched like no other, like a champion, and I'm so scared because I don't like heights and it's slippery, but I just realized she was way more on the edge than I thought, and I do not like it, but I did it. All to get an Instagram picture, so shout out Waterfall, and fears, not today. After seeing the waterfalls, we had to fuel up, so we got some lamb stew, and this not only filled our bellies, but also our heart because it was that great. Now we are on the way to the hotel, which was located on the farm with animals, like a dog. Bark, bark! Woof, woof. And a chicken. Caw-caw! I also had bunny rabbits. Give me some carrots. Then cows. Moo. There was even a baby cow. Moo. But there was a ice creamery in the bottom, so we got to enjoy some ice cream while I stared at some cows. Upstairs was the dinner part. I had to box out this one other guy to get that best seat in the corner, which I can say I successfully got. And then you can overlook the cows while you eat your hamburger. Nothing like tying a shoe on video. Started day 3, and it's freezing. I'm cold, I'm just jazzed because I'm gonna go to the tomato factory today.
It's not a factory.
A tomato farm. But what did they duet farms, they grow tomatoes. And what's another like synonym for growing? Making. What happens at factories? They make things. Tomato factory to me.
Kaboom! You've been lawyered.
Alright, here's our walk to the old geezer himself. Geyser? I'm gonna be honest. Don't know the difference between the two ways, or if it's just a different way that you say it. But basically, everyone just waited with their phones out for like 15 minutes at a time just to catch it explode. Waiting for this old geezer to erupt. As if he was an AARP and they didn't give him his snack on time. Finish up the geezer, and now we're gonna go to the tomato factory / farm. Whoever you think is just believes it. Arden's gonna rock a new hairstyle, so I'm excited. I got my Theater Thug hat on. I'm ready to roll. Hi, cat. Do you like me? No? Okay. Guess the cat doesn't like Jewish men. Here at the tomato farm, the hair is just all out of place. But it's okay, we're pushing with it. They make up 40% of the tomato market in Iceland. They get all their water from the hot spring. Kind of just saw, maybe, with the geyser. I'm not 100% sure. But 40% of the market, they import all the hot, well, I guess not import, but they take in all the hot water. And they also have a whole bumblebee ecosystem within here because they have to pollinate everything. The lights are also on 14 to 18 hours a day for sort of photosynthesis, which made me feel like I was back in Bill Nye. We just got seeded. It's absolutely beautiful. You can go through. It's a video of me.
Oh, sorry.
You want to be in it?
No.
Okay.
Rejected! Yeah, you just got rejected!
Alright, I got a personal driver now to take my excursion that she planned for me. It's like a 3-in-1 shampoo, but it's good. I'm gonna get a treat, so I'm very excited. The sunshine's just hitting us like golden hour. Look at her side pro. How amazing. Thing of Villiers, never Villiers. Kind of underwhelming. But I saw 2 dogs. It's gonna be a geothermic baking tour. And I don't know what to expect because I've never been on a baking tour, let alone a geothermic one, but apparently I get bread and lox at the end, so I'm very, very excited. Everyone left. I just had the bread. I could run away, but I respect my duty as a good bread holder in. It's almost like you gave birth to it, but I didn't.
Yes, you see, still see me. So this bread was main food for the fishers.
last day here. We have to leave soon, which is so sad. But we finally got a good picture on the Rainbow Road and found someone who could actually learn how to take a picture, which is very, very nice.
Who can hold a camera.
Yes.
Like a competent human.
Hooked on for safety. Ooh, tube. I love tubes.
Captain Bock told us the estimated flying time this afternoon into the evening to Newark Airport will be 5 hours and 45 minutes. My name is Austrieder, and I'll be the